Hey everybody, this is a quick video. In case you have a Panasonic Technics Ottava stereo, this is an SC-C70MK2, and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this stereo is not connecting to Bluetooth, or if it keeps disconnecting, if it's not pairing or syncing, not turning on, if it's frozen, not responding, any kind of issues like that can very often be fixed with a hard reset. Now you will need to set it up again as everything will be restored to the factory defaults. And that's really the second reason you might want to do that, is if you want to just kind of set this stereo up as a brand new tuner, we can go ahead and do that. We're going to do that via the controller. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the controller and we're going to hit this setup button here. And then from the setup button, we're going to use the up and down arrows to toggle through our options, and we're going to toggle through to initialization. Once we get to initialization, we're going to hit the OK button in the middle, and then it's going to ask us to confirm it. So we're going to have to, again, toggle down to the yes, and then we're going to hit OK. And once we do that, then that will actually initialize a reinitialization of the stereo and restore it to its out-of-the-box factory defaults.